Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Key Lives Marketing, where I review IC and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So today I will be showing you how you can make an extra $2,000 using a free app and website called Canva. Yes, baby. I'm about to give you the game. I'm about to put you on game. You need no investment. I said no investment because Canva is absolutely free. Only thing you are investing is your time, okay? So guys, you already know I'm about to ask you for this favor. Make sure you like, comment. Well, can you please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel so it will let YouTube algorithm know that this video is super duper helpful, and it will push my content out to people who is just like me and you, who's looking for ways to make money online and escape their 9-to-5 rat race job. All right, so let's get right into it. So make sure you stay into the end so you will not miss a thing, because this is like a step-by-step. All right, boom, boom, boom. Let's get into it for real. I'm on Etsy. Guys, Etsy has more than just clothes, more than just jewelry, but they also have a great section for digital products, and planners is literally like #1. It's killing it in the game. As you can see, over 8,000, 7,000 sales, 3,000 sales just with digital planners, guys. The regular planners is only getting $100, but the digital ones, bruh, going stupid. This one, I think this is a physical one, but it's still good. It's still good, but as you can see, I feel like the digital ones is getting a lot more popular as time goes on. But if you want to, you still can do a in like a physical planner. If you want to, you still can, because they still are popular. Planners, I feel like, will never go out of date, okay? Because every year you're gonna need a new planner. All right, that's just like edge control. Once your edge control goes out, you need to get some more. Well, that's an insider for all the girls on here. But yes, I already have an example in which, like I tell you in all my videos, if you want to do something, follow somebody that is doing it already at great success. So this person right here has over 8,000 sales on this digital planner, and this digital planner is for ADHD. Okay, so we have 200 pages of printables and digital pictures and pages actually. So she has a video, he or she has a video of everything that they have to offer, which is all the 200 pages. So like I said, you can copy everything, okay? Model it, copy it, and put it in your own style, your own words. Everything that this person has done, put it in your own style. Just like they have written the description, put it in your own style. It could be for losing weight. It could be for making goals. Your planner can be for manifestation. Just make sure that you have a beautiful planner. This is digital. Make sure it's pretty. And look, you don't need to do nothing but like the outer appearance and put some blank lines and stuff on here, because this planner is for the other person to fill it out. You got to set up something, set up blocks, set up sections for them to write out, set up titles in places where they can express themselves out. Like I said, follow this example. They have self-care, 23 pages, household items. Then they have finances, 50 pages. They have reading planners, 15 study planners, 16 pages. Get freebies with your purchase. So they giving out freebies, guys. Everybody love freebies. Make sure you model the person that has great results. You have the description, and then she also have reviews on here, okay guys? This is how you're going to be making money online. You're going to be posting your digital planners on Etsy. And how you make a digital planners, you may ask, by one of my best friends is Canva. So all you have to do is type in monthly planners and find a planner that you are feeling. Find a planner that is giving out life, that you can implement to make this money online. Go back and forth to your example, whichever example you may choose. Go back and look and examine how they set up day planners, and you can do the exact same, guys. All you have to do to promote these planners is go on social media, go on any social media platform, create a niche based social media, and type and give valuable information daily, and tell them that you have a planner to help them in whatever situation they may be in, and whatever planner you are going to be creating as of like niche or whatever. So guys, hopefully I didn't get your mind discombobulated with that. But yes, guys, if you would like to know how I make money online with affiliate marketing, make sure you go check out my free training course. That should be in the comment section below and in the description for you guys. I will totally see you in my next video. Make sure you help a girl out with a like, comment, and subscribe to let the YouTube algorithm know that this content that I'm pushing out is super duper helpful. See you in my next video. For real, for real.